what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have decided to vlog with you guys. And I don't know, I just got so much love on my farewell vlog that I decided that you guys like my vlogs a lot, maybe. So yeah, that's why I'm doing a weekend vlog, sort of. Even though I have no plans, like it might turn out to be a boring one, I don't know. We'll figure it out together. Also, please ignore the mess there and here and everywhere. I haven't cleaned my room because I didn't get time, and today is the weekend, so I'm gonna do all of that. And it is currently 10:15 a.m. and I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. So I was going to upload a video on dry skin, but then while editing the video I didn't like it, so I didn't upload it on my YouTube channel. Anyway, so right now I am just really hungry and I'm just going to go and get a breakfast. Guys, so right now, I'm really sorry for the bad angle. I'm having some turmeric and ghee water and it doesn't taste good, guys, let me tell you, but it is very beneficial for your health. So I'm having it, and also along with that I'm having some flax seeds, almonds and pumpkin seeds. मुझे दे दो ball. Come on, drop it. You won't give me the ball. Let's okay. Let's okay. दे देना ball. Ball दो. He hates it when I do that. Okay guys, so right now I'm actually thinking to clean my room because it's really bad. Like, my desk area is almost full of my shopping bags, and also this area of my desk looks really bad, so I might just clean this up, and of course the chair. And then the situation here is pretty good, but I still need to clean up a little because I want it to be organized. Hi Coops, what's up? And then my bed. Let's clean this shit up. The cleaning montage began, I guess. Now it's time to clean this bad boy, and my god, it's just too much stuff. So let's just try. I won't say it looks really nice, but I would say it looks better. Clean my vanity as much as I could, like at least the upper parts. I still need to clean these shelves, which I will do later. I've also cleaned my desk area. It looks at least better. I can just sit here and work. Already giving you an overview of my bed. That's what I have done, and it's really hot right now, so I'm just going to switch on the fan. So it is currently 12:10 and I just finished cleaning my room. And right now I have to do some work, so I'm just gonna do that. And also guys, I am thinking to film a video right now. The only thing is I have two ideas in my mind which I could do, but the problem is, पता नहीं यार, मतलब it's just weird that I want to film a video but I'm not sure, because I just feel कि जो videos होते हैं that should be relatable, I would say. And right now I'm just trying to get some motivation to film a video, like. Okay guys, so update time. It is currently 1:30 and I have decided to film a video. So the video is totally random. I don't have any script or anything, but let's try to film this video. I'll just show you what my setup is. But these are the products which I'm going to be using to film the video, and this is my camera right here, and I have a tape right here because my flash is not working, and it's just another story I'm going to tell you later. So yeah, I have to remove this cap and I'm still setting up right now. Just finished filming a video. I don't know if I'm really happy with it because it was a really quick video, and I'm just gonna show you the aftermath of my video. Can Can you imagine I just cleaned it up in the morning? And okay guys, so I just finished filming all my videos and I legit filmed 3 videos today, and right now it is 3:30 and I'm so tired. I'm going downstairs to have my lunch and we'll see. Okay guys, so it is currently 7:30 p.m. and I forgot to update you guys because I have been doing nothing. I've been just chilling, editing a video, and I took a very long ass nap. And right now I have to go and get ready because I am heading out for dinner with my family. And yeah, that's what's up. And I'm still editing a video. I have one video to edit and I think it's probably gonna be up before this video, so you can just check it out. And yeah, that's the update, you guys. Probably I will not vlog the family dinner because it's gonna be a family dinner, everybody's gonna be there and it's gonna be awkward. So yeah, I'll catch. So guys, I just got ready and I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing today. I got this kurta from Pantaloons and I'm wearing my leggings and some wedges from West Side. And yeah, that's the look I'm going for. So guys, it is currently 12 what am I saying? So guys, it is currently 12 a.m. and I'm home finally. And I'm really tired. I just washed my face. I'm getting a lot of pimples, but that's okay. And yeah, I don't think my day is gonna be very much fun tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. So if I don't, then yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I think it was really boring, but you know, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.